Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you how I made these candy cane meringue cookies. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. We're going to whisk together 8 egg whites until it forms a stiff peak. When the eggs start to foam up, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of crushed candy canes. Next, we're going to add our mixture to a pastry bag. I placed the mixture on a silicone mat. Then we're going to bake it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 1.5 hours.